Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories. The Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation has decided to implement the formula that was implemented in Ganjam district to prevent the spread of COVID-19. BMC sources said the civic body will conduct massive health screening, and for this 565 rapid response teams have already been formed. These teams will be carrying out health screenings in slums and other vulnerable areas. This apart, it has also been decided that the civic body will separately collect garbage from those houses where patients are in home isolation. BMC's team will also keep a close watch on residents to see if the patients in isolation are observing COVID-19 norms. 3 scholars from Sambalpur district have invented an instrument which can measure the exact pulse rate of plants. The device will help to calculate exactly the amount of pesticide needed to keep a plant healthy. In the process, unnecessary expenditures will be reduced. COVID-19 patients will be allowed to vote in the by-elections to the 2 assembly seats in Odisha, officials said on Wednesday. The decision was taken at a meeting between Chief Electoral Officer S.K. Lohani and the collectors and the police chiefs of Balasore and Jagatsinghpur. Special arrangements shall be made for the COVID-19 affected voters during election, like isolation centers, and those voters would be allowed to cast their franchise at the last hour of poll, an official statement quoting Lohani said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday launched the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana and eGopala app, a comprehensive breed improvement marketplace and information portal for direct use of farmers, which will do away with the role of middlemen in procurement and purchase. 5 Rafale combat aircraft made by French company Dassault Aviation can be deployed at a short notice at the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh, said Defence Minister Rajnath Singh at Ambala Air Base in Haryana on Thursday during the induction ceremony. This induction is important considering the kind of atmosphere at our borders, or the kind of atmosphere created at our borders, said Singh as Rafale aircrafts became operational in Indian Air Force. Amid record surge in daily coronavirus cases in India, the Union Health Ministry has urged all states and union territories to mandatorily retest all symptomatic coronavirus negative cases of rapid antigen tests through RT-PCR tests. This is necessary to ensure that such symptomatic negative cases do not remain untested and do not spread the disease among their contacts. This will also ensure early detection and isolation or hospitalization of such false negatives. It has also been reiterated in the joint letter that while the RAT is being used to increase access and availability of testing in the field, RT-PCR remains the gold standard of COVID tests. That's all for today's bulletin. You are watching Odisha Post Live. For more such updates, stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.